Napulot ni Ray Evangelista. Pal ni Marlo Aquino. Ray Evangelista again in front of the basket. Not giving up. Ray Evangelista. Sonny Jaworski lamang kay Ray Evangelista.
Isolation and Jaworski taking the shot.
Wow! Well, Ray Evangelista did what he had to do. Binantayan niya si Jaworski pero naipasok pa rin ang tira. Aquino Cordillera. Aquino. Wala. Evangelista for the rebound. Binigay kay Dindo Pumaran. Pumaran picking up speed. Bounce pass to Bong Rivera. Fast break play by Purefoods. There's a pick by Marlo Aquino. Three. Oh, that's a two-pointer. Two-pointer by the Big J. Dindo Pumaran. Bounce pass to Alvin Patrimonio. Patrimonio against Locsin. Patrimonio against Locsin and Marlo. Patrimonio scores and puts Purefoods ahead by two. Jaworski's under D. Pasa sa labas kay Pido. Arencio. That's his fourth. Pang-apat na triple B. Ni Pido Arencio.
Mainit dito si Pido. Pass coming from Jaworski.
Oh. Noli Locsin. Well, reverse layup. Big drive by Noli Locsin. At ipupukulan naman ang bola kay Marlo Aquino. Eksakto na naman ang pasa. But Marlo Aquino is double teamed against Chris Bolado. Against Derek Cordillera. Reverse layup. Wala. Loose ball, scramble. Ayun, nakadive pa na. At meron jump ball call ng referees. Talaga naman nagdumive yung mga player doon. Muli po nagbabalik sa inyong mga TV screens, mga kaibigan, ang Game 4 ng Best of 7 Championship Series between Gordon's Gin at Purefoods Corned Beef Cowboys. Sa kasalukuyan, lamang sa serye ang Purefoods 2-1. Pero dito po sa game number 4, lamang ang Gordon's Gin ng 10 as we start the third quarter. By the way, playing coach Sonny Jaworski is already in the game para sa Gordons. Bong Ravena, baseline drive, sinalubong ni Jaworski. Ay foul na tatawagin laban sa Big J.
Ang partner, Robert Jaworski played good defense and quality minutes nung game number 3. And it was his physical defense that stymied Bong Ravena in game number 3, holding Ravena scoreless in the fourth period of game 3.
Narito na si Bong Ravena against Vince Hizon. Napalakas yung tira. Nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Rebound rin kay Jaworski Sr. Nandun na naman yung bato. Vince Hizon to Pino Arencio. Medyo mapalakas. Bong Ravena. Off to Dindo Pumaran.
Partner, 4 white shirts down on defense.
Samantala. Inside pass by Dindo Pumaran kay Alvin Patrimonio.
Second foul ng Robert Jaworski. Pero itong sinasabi natin kanina, Alvin Patrimonio, once he has control of the basketball, is going to draw some contact. So it's important for him to keep his hands firmly on the ball and attempt for the shot while getting the contact, so he will go to the line. If he's having problems getting his field goals, he will be able to get his points from the line.
Well,
but not that time.
Oo nga. Yan ang nangyari nung game 3 when he barely was able to score from the floor. Pero he made his points from the free throw line. Alam naman natin, he's a very reliable free throw shooter.
Well, in game number 3, 10 out of 10 from the line, si Alvin Patrimonio.
This is Bea Zabel in the audience.
And she's beside Mercy Tuasa.
Wala ba si Don Jaime?
I haven't seen him.
Oh. 44-35, 9-point lead para sa Gordons. Vince Hizon is inside. Dalabas kay Noli Locsin. Jaworski is open. Faked off. Ray Evangelista. His back pass nearly intercepted. And hindi po tumama yung bola sa anumang bahagi ng rim. So, a 24-second violation is called on Gordon's Gin. Turnover para sa Gordons. Lamang pa rin sila ng siyam. Dito po sa third period. Alvin Patrimonio double-teamed. Dinabas kay Jerry Cordillera. Jumper by Jerry from the outside. Wala. Bong Ravena napulot ang rebound off the glass against Jaworski. Ravena scores. Bong Ravena has 8 points in the game. Noli Locsin naman. Bangga sila ni Alvin Patrimonio.
At pumasok
he stays with the shot.
Partner, yan ang halos hindi natin nakita nung first half. The power game of Noli Locsin.
Oh.
If he brings that power game here in the second half, coupled with a good shooting on the outside of Pido Arencio, that would spell trouble for Purefoods because yan ang inside-outside game ng Gordons.
Dindo Pumaran gets open as Vince Hizon tried to go for the steal. At naipasok ni Dindo Pumaran yung jumper. A 7-point lead ngayon para sa Gordons at 46-39. Pido Harencio. May dala ng bola lamang kay Dindo Pumaren. Vince Hizon comes out of the play. Wala. Alvin Patrimonio para sa rebound. Binigay kay Dindo Pumaren. Pumaren sumasagitsit papunta sa front court. Binigay kay Ray Evangelista over Hizon. Masyado malakas. Dindo Pumaren with the offensive rebound. The flip is no good. Marlo Aquino para sa Gordon's Gym. Off to Noli Locsin at midcourt. The Big J nagdidirehid sa loob ng hardcourt.
Imagine it will slow down yung offensive movement ng Gordon's Gym. This will allow Pure Foods the opportunity to play the half-court defense.
Pero sabi ni Pido Harencio, anong defense? Pido Harencio has time and again gotten Pure Foods red in the face with those incursions inside the paint.
And part of 18 points na ito si Pido Harencio. And miscommunication, that pass came too quick and too long for Bong Ravenna.
Lamang ng siyam ang Gordon's Gin, 8:49 to go dito sa third period. Jaworski. Binabantayan ni Ray Evangelista. There's a pick by Marlo Aquino. Three! Oh, that's a two-pointer. Two-pointer by the Big J.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, partner. Somehow, Pure Foods not extending its defense and allowing Gordon's Gym to score in the perimeter.
Samantala, Alvin Patrimonio taking it strong to the hole. Kinaliwa pa niya yung layup. Sumabay si Noli Locsin. Pangalawa niyang personal foul yan. At merong 3-point play opportunity si Alvin Patrimonio. Lamang ng siyam ang Gordon's Gin. Kanina lamang ay pinakamalaking kalamangan sa laro, 11 puntos para sa Gordons. Natapos ngayon yan ni Alvin sa 9 at pipilitin niyang may pababa pa with this free throw. Lead is down to 8. Momentarily so Coach Eric Altamirano on his knees.
Partner, you notice that there's a switch in the defensive roles. Ray Evangelista, a good defensive player, is now taking on Pido Harencio, who has been hot in this game.
Uy, Montik pumasok.
na.
Actually, pasa yun kay Marlo Aquino na natapik. At Montik pumasok. At si Alvin Patrimonio, kaagad namang inamin yung foul kesa naman magkaroon ng easy 2 si Marlo Aquino at point blank range. Ito yung tapik. Montik nang pumasok. At dito, medyo sigurado na sana yung 2 puntos pero inamin na kaagad ni Alvin Patrimonio yung
Again,
foul.
that's a weakness in the offensive moves of Marlo Aquino. Binababa niya yung bola after he gets the offensive rebound. He should just continue his movement to get the shot.
Jaworski's under D. Pasa sa labas kay Pido. Harencio. That's his fourth. Pang-apat na triple B ni Pido Harencio.
Mainit ito si Pido.
Hindi lang mainit, lumalagablab, kumukulo.
Again, the low
Pido
post.
Harencio.
Alvin Patrimonio taking it strong.
Patrimonio
trying to do it all by
trying to get
himself.
second service. Jaworski with a tap. Last touch on Jaworski.
Again, it's the intimidating style of Gordon's. And this is the big test of composure for Pure Foods.
7:38 to go dito sa third quarter. 11-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin. 53-42.
Ito na naman ang post play.
Patrimonio's jumper is good. Binato na naman ni Jaworski off to Vince Hizon. Right on the money, but Alvin Patrimonio blocks the shot.
But it looks like Gordon's will keep it. Pure Foods not able to establish possession pagkatapos ng block shot ni Alvin Patrimonio. Pero partner, yun na naman, yung baseball pitch. Ni
Eksakto
Robert
yun, ha?
Jaworski.
Eksakto yung dating. Nasa pukagad ni Vince Hizon. Lamang ngayon, nandun si Alvin Patrimonio for the shot clock. Noli Locsin, binigyan na naman kay Pido Harencio. Wala. Ray Evangelista para sa rebound to Dindo Pumaren. Narito si Bong Ravenna. Paspas na binaba ang bola. Tuloy-tuloy. Napulot ni Ray Evangelista. Pal ni Marlo Aquino. Ray Evangelista again. In front of the basket. Not giving up. Ray Evangelista. At bumaba na naman ang kalamangan ng Gordons to 7 points at 53-46. Meron pa tayo 6 minutes and 53 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Harencio against Evangelista. Jaworski Pumaren. Aquino Cordillera. Aquino. Wala. Evangelista for the rebound. Binigay kay Dindo Pumaren. Pumaren picking up speed. Bounce pass to Bong Ravenna. Fast break play by Pure Foods. At lima na lang ang lamang ng Gordons. We have this timeout.
Paddock's Jeans, a legend on its own. Paddock's, the official jeans of the PBA.
6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Naibaba na ng Pure Foods sa Kalamang to only 5. Nice pass inside. Papunta kay Marlo Aquino. Pero merong foul.
Partner, when you have Sonny Jaworski trying to set up Marlo Aquino, you know that they want the low post game of Gordon's Gin again to go in high gear. Importante kasi si Marlo Aquino gets his point. So far, only 4 points, and he's been held down to only 2 out of 4. So Sonny Jaworski wants to get Marlo Aquino in the offensive flow.
Yan po mga averages ni Marlo Aquino in the series. Marlo Aquino, pasok yung unang free throw.
Ito mga kaibigan natin, to the left of your screens, Ricky Menezes of Bulacan, ang ating executive director of the PBA, si Sonny Barrios, and Pepot Romualdez.
Kaya nung nasabi natin, napakarami po mga bisita dito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa gabing ito. Game number 4 of the Best of 7 Championship Series. Offensive rebound, Dolly Locsin. Jerry Cordillera knocking the ball away. At si Mayor Pablo Cuneta, kahuntahan si Governor Obet Pagdanganan ng Bulacan. Kumusta po kayo sa Bulacan? Yan po sa Nueva Ecija. Sa mga karating puok, karating lalawigan dito po sa Metro Manila, sa Quezon, sa Batangas, sa Cavite. Kumusta po kayo lahat? Sonny Jaworski lamang kay Ray Evangelista.
Isolation, and Jaworski taking the shot.
Well, Ray Evangelista did what he had to do. Binantayan niya si Jaworski pero naipasok pa rin ang tira.
At hindi nag-drive si Big J. Isolation for him to take the shot.
4 points for the Big J so far. At ang score po natin ngayon, 56-48, 8-point lead. Ayan po yung jumper ni Sonny Jaworski. Nandun si Ray Evangelista pero wala na siyang magagawa doon. Pumasok talaga ang tira.
Pabanda pa yung tira na yun.
Bong Ravena against Vince Hizon off the glass. Yun ang pabanda. At nakakuha pa ng foul. Ravena, his 12th point in the game. Merong foul kay Vince Hizon. So, makakaroon ng pagkakataon for a 3-point play si Bong Ravena.
And Ravena using his quickness at saka his athletic ability to get that shot off. Actually, nasabayan siya ni Vince Hizon in that race towards the hoop. Yun nga lang, nakabitin ito si Bong Ravena. Again, his athleticism, bailing him out.
At pinasok niya yung kanyang free throw for the completed 3-point play. At ang kalamangan ng Gordons, baba na naman ngayon sa 5, 56-51. Baldwin the bounce pass to Vince Hizon. Hizon out to Baldwin again. Pinapatayan siya ni Dindo Pumaran. Hizon, sumaksak sa loob. Nilabas kay Jaworski. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Tony Locsin against Patrimonio. Locsin trying to get a good look at the basket. Wala. Bong Ravena. Off to Dindo Pumaran. Sinasalubong si Vince Hizon. Nakaposte si Pumaran pero nilabas instead to Bong Ravena. 3-point shot!
Partner, umuusok si Bong Ravena here in the third period. And he's enjoying that matchup he has with Vince Hizon.
At dalawa na lang. Ito po ang pinakadikit na inabot ng Pure Foods in a very long time in this ball game. Just a 2-point lead by Gordons. Vince Hizon to Jaworski. Jaworski sumaksak sa loob. Running shot by the Big J. Offensive foul.
Pangatlo na yan on Robert Jaworski. As he drove in, he had his knee extended. Ito, panurin natin. Yun. May konting
Actually,
sipa.
five.
Yes.
Yun
May
ang
sipa
nakita.
yun on Ray Evangelista who closed in for the defense.
At pagkakataon nito ng Pure Foods para tumabla o kaya ay lumamang. They're down by 2 at 56-54. Alvin
It's a triple
Patrimonio.
team on Alvin Patrimonio.
Pumaran is
And
open.
it's
At tabla na po tayo. We are tied at 26 all. 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in the third period. Remember, Gordon started off with a 10-point lead. And there's a steal. But it goes out of bounds by Dindo Pumaran. Nung mag-umpisa po itong third quarter, lamang ng 10 ang Gordons. Ngayon po, tabla na tayo.
intensity level of Gordon's Gin. Bumababa rito.
Jaworski. Benny Cheng. Jumper by Cheng. Wala. Evangelista para sa rebound for Pure Foods. Dito Pumaran. Bounce pass to Alvin Patrimonio. Patrimonio against Locsin. Patrimonio against Locsin and Marlo. Patrimonio scores and puts Pure Foods ahead by 2. At tatawag muli ng timeout si assistant coach Rino Salazar. Nakakadalawang timeout na ang Gordon's Gin dito sa third quarter. Lamang na po ang Pure Foods ng dalawa. 58-56. Bal David has it against Dito Pumaran. Jumper by Bal. Oh, a balanced shot. Parang alanganin na tira yun.
Talagang alanganin. He had to double pump that shot.
Samantala, Ray Evangelista against Benny Cheng. At nakakuha ng foul si Ray galing kay Benny Cheng. Tabla na naman tayo mga kaibigan at 58 all, only the fifth deadlock in this ball game. Alalahanin po ninyo that in the first half the majority of that particular 24-minute stretch ay lamang na lamang ang Gordon's Gin. Baka ilang ulit lamang na o baka dalawang beses siguro lang 1 point ang Gordon's, pero dito sa third quarter inabot ng Pure Foods Corned Beef Cowboys ang Gordon's Gin. Lamang ngayon ng isa ang Pure Foods 59-58. Ito naman ang scouting report on Bal David.
Well, definitely he's got the quickness. He likes to make the clutch plays and he's got a killer crossover. Yung kanyang weakness, well, yung shot selection niya at saka yung turnover prone.
Hindi maganda selection.
Well, partner, talk about shot selection. In this particular game, 4 out of 5 si Bal David. Yun nga lang, he has had only 5 attempts. Kanya hindi masyado nakakahawak ng bola ito si Bal David. When you have Robert Jaworski on the floor with Bal David, parang hindi siya nabibigyan ng pagkakataon to be able to execute his offense.
Field goal shooting dito sa third quarter.
6-15 by Gordon's and 10-16 for Pure Foods.
Benny Cheng gets the inbound over to Wilmer Ong in the front court. Cross-court pass kay Jaworski. Marlo Aquino ngayon, nabasali kay Jaworski. Open for the three, medyo malakas. At sa rebound play, merong loose ball foul. Tatawagin lamang kay Alvin Patrimonio who readily acknowledges it. Ayan ay magiging pangatlo ni Alvin.
Alam ni Alvin siya nga commit ng foul na yun. He wanted to make sure that Gordon's Gin would not have a putback opportunity.
3 minutes and 9 seconds ang natitira po dito sa third period. Lamang ng dalawa ang Pure Foods, 60-58. Jaworski. Bal David labang kay Dito Pumaran. There's that pull-up jumper again by Bal David. This time it doesn't go. Marlo Aquino beating Jericho Diniera to the rebound. At nagkakaroon ng foul labang kay Jericho Diniera. Napakaganda ng timing ni Marlo Aquino dito sa play na ito. Dito sa last play na yan. At ito naman si Jericho Diniera naka-foul. Narito ang kanyang scouting report.
Good perimeter shooter. Of course, his big weakness, his dribbling ability.
Tama tayo mga kaibigan.
Club Roman Traditional Fit. Club Roman Jeans and Shirts. Club Roman.
2 minutes and 56 seconds ang nalalabi sa ating third quarter. At Marlo Aquino scores on the first free throw. Lamang ng isa ang Pure Foods, 60-59. Pangalawa ni Marlo bounces in.
Congressman Mike Romero applauding those 2 free throws of Marlo Aquino.
Oo.
Negros Oriental.
Oo. Ngayong gabi sa ating mga higala sa Kabisayan ng Mindanao. Mapay ng Kabiheyo dito at Tacloban ng Bugos na Region 8. At Fiction po kasama si Benito Henson para sa Vintage Sports. Alvin Patrimonio's drive results in a foul. Medyo nairita itong si Alvin Patrimonio sa pagbabantay ni Wilmer Ong. Technical
Wilmer
foul.
Ong is being called for the technical. Panuuri natin ito. Wilmer Ong trying to slap the ball away. And here's the hard hack from Wilmer Ong and he will be called for the technical.
So magkakaroon ng technical free throw para kay Alvin Patrimonio.
Pero partner, ang rotation ng player ni Coach Robert Jaworski. Now sitting on the bench and resting is Noli Locsin. Kanya pumasok ito si Wilmer Ong.
Oops! Patrimonio overshoots. At makikita po ninyo yung frustration sa mukha ni Alvin Patrimonio. At Alvin Patrimonio pointing out the fact na nasa penalty na ang Gordon's Gin. Kaya dapat bigyan siya ng 2 free throws on the personal foul. 2:38 remaining dito sa ating third period. Tabla po tayo at 60 all. 61-60. And Patrimonio gives Pure Foods another 2-point lead. Yan po ang pinakamalaking lamang ng Pure Foods sa larong ito. Samantalang ang Gordons naman ay lumang ng hanggang 11 puntos kanina. Dito rin sa third quarter, hindi ako nagkakamali. At narito po ngayon ang offense naman ng Gordon, si Wilmer Ong labang kay Patrimonio. There's Evangelista trying for the steal. Completed by Alvin Patrimonio. Ill-advised dribble by Wilmer Ong, pero napakahina naman ang pasa. Nakuha kagad ni Baldavid para sa Gordons. Baldavid streaking inside, binigay kay Wilmer Ong. And underneath, there's going to be a foul. Spotted by referee Ernie De Leon.
Partner, kita natin, very quick to capitalize on the turnover itong Gordon's Gym. Always looking to run the break. Nakakuha sila ng big turnover on the other end. And they try to run transition.
Ray Evangelista in the meantime has picked up his fourth personal foul. At ang Pure Foods naman ay kakukuha lamang ng kanilang pang-limang team foul. So pareho na rin sila ng Gordons ngayon na nasa penalty. Wilmer Ong at the line. Benny Cheng papalitan ni Noli Locsin at si Chris Bulado naman para sa Pure Foods pumasok for Ray Evangelista, who, as we mentioned, already has 4 personals. Pangalawa ni Wilmer Ong, pasok din. At tabla na naman tayo sa 62 all, 2 minutes and 8 seconds to go sa third period. Bong Ravena. Alvin Patrimonio, double team. Kumaren, Cordillera is open. Masyadong malakas. Jaworski para sa rebound. At ipupukulan naman ang bola kay Marlo Aquino. Eksakto na naman ang pasa, but Marlo Aquino is double teamed against Chris Bolado. Against Derek Cordillera. Reverse layup, wala. Loose ball, scramble. Ayun, nakadaya pala. At meron jump ball call ng referees. Talaga naman nagdumay yung mga player doon.
Grabe ang labanan. Underneath the boards.
Parang football.
Every possession so precious and so crucial.
Ito, makikita ninyo. Nakakita ng konting kumang lang doon si Marlo. At sa loose ball scramble ito, dive. Submarino. Parang American football eh.
Ayun, meron na upuan. Ayun, ako ninoloksi pa yung bola. Coming from nowhere.
At magkakaroon po ng jump ball between Chris Bolado and Marlo Aquino dito po sa tapat ng court ng Gordon's Gin with 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining in the third period. Tablang score, 62 all. Teka muna, sabi ni referee Ernie De Leon.
Partner, this is how a championship game should be played.
This is how it feels.
Yes. Buong loob ng mga players sa loob ng court. And I'm sure also the players resting on the bench.
Totoo yan. Kompletong-kompleto po itong drama ng championship game. Game number 4 of the Best of 7 Championship Series for the 1997 All-Filipino Crown. Top by Bolado. Nakuha ni Alvin Patrimonio. Binigay kay Dindo Kumaren. Coach Eric Altamirano sa may senyas galing sa bench na i-slow down at i-set up ang opensa. Binigay kay Alvin Patrimonio lamang kay Wilmer Ong. Clear out for Alvin. At meron na namang foul na tatawagin. This one on Wilmer Ong. At yan po ay pangatlo ni Wilmer Ong. At kaya na natin nabanggit kanina, pareho na po nasa penalty ang dalawang kumpunang ito. Ito na yung drive, iyon ang foul.
Well, talaga nasasaktan dito si Alvin Patrimonio, no?
Yan po, mga kaibigan, ang hirap ng pagiging isang star basketball
He
player.
is bleeding for his points at alam naman ng Gordon's Gym. Siya ang number 1 offensive option ng Pure Foods. And they're doing everything within their means to stop him from scoring.
Well, nasabi natin, usually a reliable free throw shooter. Nakita ninyo yung reaction ni Mrs. Bea Sobel. That is the third miss of Alvin from the free throw line dito sa larong ito.
Partner, we'd also like to point out that Jaworski is taking on Bong Ravena in defense. And since that matchup, Ravena has not scored.
Yes, samantala, Baldavid showing the flash.
And partner,
That
yung
has made
outlet
him-
pass na naman ni Jaworski
Oo.
galing sa backcourt.
Lamang ng isa ang Gordon 64-63. There's a double team. Dito Pumaran. At si Wilmer Ong tatawagan na naman ng foul as he held down Alvin Patrimonio, who was getting set to receive the pass from Dindo Pumaran. So punta ka agad sa free throw line si Alvin.
Kung talagang dinidikita ni Wilmer Ong, wherever Alvin Patrimonio is,
Oo.
palagay ko, maski na kung pumunta ito sa comfort room, sasabayan ito ni Wilmer Ong.
Pagsasara na siya ng pinto. 1:02 to go in the third period.
Alam naman ni Alvin Patrimonio that Gordon's is in a penalty situation, so he will invite the contact so he can get his points in the strike.
Jericho Dinero on your screens. Dinero currently with 14 points in the game, has not scored in the third period. Pero si Alvin Patrimonio makes both charities at angat na naman ang Pure Foods ng isa 65-64.
But then again, that outlet pass coming from Jaworski.
Oh. Noli Locsin. Well, reverse layup. Big drive by Noli Locsin. 66-65. 1-point lead para sa Gordons. Alvin Patrimonio laban kay Wilmer Ong. Out to Dindo Pumaran. Pumaran nakakita na buwang. Oh! There is going to be a foul.
Partner, lucky break for
Noli
Dindo
Locsin.
Pumaran because he lost the handle on his way to the hoop. Ito, panurin natin. Ito yung P-hit and the reverse layup by Noli the Tank Locsin.
Panoorin pa natin sa ibang angulo naman. Galing sa ibabaw. Yun ang P-hit. At yung reverse layup. Oh, picture perfect.
Ibang klase naman yung galaw.
Oh, baka hindi pa kayo kontento. Ito pa isa. Iba kami. Marami kami niya.
Pero hindi 6 points yun, ha?
Hindi.
Isa lang.
2 points lang yun.
Tatlo kasi beses nakita natin yung layup.
Tabla tayo at 66 all. 34.8 seconds remaining dito po sa third period. Tabla at 66 all. Both teams in the penalty. One more for Dindo Pumaran. At lamang ang Pure Foods ng isa, 67-66. Jaworski. Marlo Aquino lamang kay Chris Bolado. Inabot kay Bal David, binabantayan kayo ni Bong Ravena. 10 seconds sa shot clock ng Gordons. Bal David with that quick step. At walang foul.
At sabi ni Bal
Meron.
David,
Bong Ravena foul.
yes. Tama yun. Tinamaan siya sa ulo on his drive to the hoop.
So si Bal David naman ngayon ang pupunta sa free throw line.
Actually, hindi siya tinamaan sa ulo. Dun lang sa kamay.
Oo.
Sa may bandang braso.
Pero enough to make contact at mabigyan siya ng dalawang pagkakataon sa free throw line. Bal David. At alam mo, ang init ng summer of 1997 na hindi siguro makapapantay sa init ng labanan dito po sa pagitan ng Gordon's Gin at ng Pure Foods Corned Beef sa game number 4. 1-point lead ng Gordons, 11 seconds to go sa third quarter. Dindo Pumaran. 5 seconds on the game clock. Pumaran na agawan. Noli Locsin will try to beat the buzzer. Wala. At pagkatapos mo ng third quarter, lamang ang Gordons ng isa na lamang, 68-67.